Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. When a BONE is listed, currency reacts. Therefore, BONE Shibaswap could be listed on a reputable exchange coin soon. As a result, KuCoin, the largest cryptocurrency exchange, recently highlighted the listing of BONE Shibaswap, the governance token of Shiba Inu. The action was taken as a result of an enthusiastic new community member named Infinite contacting Shiba Coin on the BONE listing. In response, KuCoin said that before BONE can be listed on its exchange, the proper listing procedure must be performed. The discussion, however, urged the neighborhood to pay attention to changes and follow the official website and social media channels. So, thank you for your encouragement and for wanting to see BONEs listed. Please be aware that a token cannot actually be listed until the listing procedure has been completed. Please keep an eye on our official website and social media pages in the interim. KuCoin, which was established in 2017, is one of the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with over 27 million users and a presence in more than 200 nations. More than 750 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shib, and Dogecoin, can be purchased, sold, or traded on the exchange. In addition, BONE was listed on exchanges before the Shavron debut, which increased BONE's popularity prior to the introduction of the Shiba Inu mainnet. BONE was added to 6 prestigious exchanges in the past week alone, including Cito.ex, OKX, Huobi Worldwide Flip Pay Deep Coin, and Hotcoin Global CO Coin. This will enhance BONE's reputation among its enormous audience. As a result, we're all eager to watch what occurs with BONE. Clearly, the cost of BONEs has decreased significantly, ever since reaching record highs and performing exceptionally well earlier this year, and Shiba Inu is to blame for it. There was a lot of buzz since everyone believed that the Shibarium would cause it to explode, but it was actually simply the mainnet launch. You understand, there wasn't, certainly. I apologize. That wasn't the main internet, it was just the test launch. But what's this? The release of the mainnet is imminent. May release is the most likely date. But there is a BONE in the listing. It's significant for CO Coin. Therefore, listing BONE would be a big deal for them. They are a sizable exchange, therefore it would be a huge thing. Therefore, it is clear that BONE already has a lot, as we can see from the numerous exchanges we have witnessed over the past few weeks. But all of this would help BONE's price increase if Nance could list BONE on CO Coin. Therefore, it goes without saying that we must wait to see what happens next. BONE, the price of BONEs will likely increase as soon as barium prices fall, I believe. Why? How come? Why will it increase if it will undoubtedly be used to pay for gas? Therefore, you must always have a BONE on hand to use as the gas fee when transacting on Shavron. As a result of everyone now wanting to acquire it, the cost increases. It makes sense. So, we are aware of its significance. I've been holding a BONE for a very long time because of this. There's a lot of promise there, in my opinion. As a result, those of us who have been holding for a very long time will keep holding because we are aware of the enormous payment that is on the way and because she would be news for touching down in so many distinct ecosystems. And that may be a significant one given that Shibarium may be released this month. Therefore, there is no official date. Yes, we are unsure of the precise timing, but you can bet that when it does, prices will increase. Quick market update.